Paulie here, and today we're cooking some hamburgers on the Lodge Sportsman's Grill. Little lady made up these patties, 1 pound of beef altogether, so we got 1/4 pound burgers. She has some, I think she's got salt, pepper, and I know she's got garlic. And here on the Lodge Sportsman's Grill. Now you see, I got it on top of cardboard. Probably not the smartest thing to do, but I got a garden hose. They've been on here for a little while. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, I think they're turnable. We'll give it a little bit of time. Using the Black Stone spatula. Now, I've been trying to do cooking videos so many times, but I mean many times I've tried to do a cooking video. Let me get in the shade a little bit. But every time I do one, it's kind of like not right. At first, I did some steak on the Black Stone griddle on a Wednesday night. Pretty good sear, I guess. Maybe I could do a little bit better than that. We're gonna cook this baby up to about 125, and it will be done. Oh, I'm gonna eat this. The little side that comes with this steak that I'm gonna eat with are these shrimp chips that my wife buys from the Asian market. Now, the steak turned out well. Very good. And last night, I did some oysters on this here Weber grill. Little lady came out and said, throw some more on. But this lump charcoal, it catches on fire. This stuff is hot. And as Kiss would say, hotter than hell. Kiss alive. Detroit Cobo Hall. Totally irrelevant to making these oysters. The oyster, beautiful. Just cooked enough to open up the shell. Nothing, you know, no overcooking. Just enough to open up that shell. Them oysters are great. Very good. I also cooked up some pineapple on that same grill, the Weber. I love that. I love this big Weber. Ooh, hot. Ooh. Very hot. But right now I'm just cooking these hamburgers. I cooked something else. Can't really remember what it was. Folks, you want a cooking video? Alright, this cooking video, let me turn down the volume on the little ladies' Filipino TV programming. Alright, whew. Yeah, we got cardboard boxes in the windows. No blinds. A modified Detroit style pizza, and I'm telling you, let's go in the laundry room where I manufactured it. Well, I actually baked it in the oven, but I did the pizza here in the laundry room. Look at that pizza! Holy dude, it is amazingly great. Yeah, I did not. So here we go. I'm in Detroit heaven. Let's get back over here to the hamburgers. This little lady's mix. Oh yeah. You don't need no big ass grill to make hamburgers for a family of 2. Oh, doodle. We got a little Flare City. Oh, crap. I just split that hamburger. Let it calm down. We'll get them all over here on the cold side of town. Got that grease dripping out. Here on the Lodge Sportsman's Grill. Anytime you get a flare up like that, all you gotta do is relax. Take your time. Set it aside where it's not gonna burn the hell up. Looks pretty good. Please subscribe on my road to 1,000. Help me on my road to 1,000. Appreciate y'all a lot. Till next time, I'm out.